Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Oklahoma Joe's Bandera vertical offset smoker with AmazingRibs.com's Robert Moss. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. The Bandera's most notable feature is its upright smoking chamber, which is oriented vertically with an offset firebox to one side. This orientation gives it a relatively compact footprint, just 40 inches wide, and a tall profile of just over 5 feet. Unlike Oklahoma Joe's horizontal offsets, which have round barrel-style fireboxes, the Bandera is rectangular. Heavy wire coil springs on the firebox and cooking chamber door handles keep them cool enough to open and close without gloves. Inside the firebox, a charcoal grate sits atop a sturdy removable ash pan, which slides fully out for emptying spent coals. Beneath the hinged lid on top of the firebox are 3 sets of brackets that can hold a cooking rack to allow direct heat grilling over the coals. Dampers at the base open and close via a simple sliding handle to control airflow to the fire. The real versatility of the Bandera comes from what's inside the cooking chamber. 14 rows of brackets can hold a water pan, horizontal cooking racks, a pair of rib racks, and 2 meat hooks, all of which are included with the unit. The 4-wire racks are coated with black porcelain, as is the large water pan. Though it can be positioned higher, the pan typically is hung on the lowest brackets closest to the baffle, where the heat and smoke enter the chamber from the firebox. With the 2 included meat hooks, you also have the option of hanging spare ribs or other large cuts from the top brackets, with plenty of space left below. A temperature gauge is installed in the center of the chamber door. At the top of the cooking chamber, a short square smokestack is topped with a damper secured by a single screw and spring. The whole unit is mounted on a sturdy 4-legged frame with a broad shelf that can be used for storing wood and tools. 2 large steel wagon-style wheels are mounted beneath the chamber, and you can lift the smoker with the handle mounted above the firebox and roll it to a new spot on a patio or other hard surface. Well, that's it. Time to fire this big boy up and get smoking. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.